Early stage due diligence still means raiding company's house by hand. On a small deal, it gets skipped, which is where the surprises are. This is due diligence direct. Six government agent read a company's stationery record and its own filed accounts and return a verdict with a citation behind every claim. On a cloud runs service keeps everything together. The API, the console, and Open API contract all run in a single container. Gemini 3.5 flash on Vertex. AI handles the reasoning behind the scenes. Cloud build take care of the deployment with the test suite acting as a gate. So broken code never gets deployed. Credentials are securely managed through Secret Manager, while CloudTrace helps us monitor and troubleshoot requests. Let us audit a real company. This field takes a name or a number and it resolves against the live register. As you can see, we find it a company, different development LTD. Now, when we start the audit, this is queued. The run carries on server side. I could close this tab if I want. It collects the statutory record first, officers, persons with a significant control, charges, insolvency history. Then it downloads the company's own filed IXBRL accounts and parses them into the Python. Now watch these two lines. These agents start in the same second. They run in parallel, each with its own identity and its own permitted tools. Neither of them calls anything directly. Every call goes through one policy gateway. Then the debate agents argues both positions against each other and resolves the disagreement explicitly, rather than one model writing a paragraph that sounds balanced. As you can see, red flag deal breaker. Company's house says this company is active, everything else disagrees. We have a six high risk, one medium risk, one low risk. That's why we get a red flag deal breaker. Every figures was passed from the document the company filed. The model never produced a number. It interrupts arithmetically, and that is already correct. Companies in that state stop filing, so there is nothing recent to pass. As you can see. Now we are moving to agent registries. Six agents, each has an identity, scope, and published cards saying what it may call and what it must never do. Every call goes through one gateway, identity, scope, and quota. As we start audit trail, as we start a verify hash chain, every allow and denial lands in a hash chain logs that just recompounded the whole chain, edit one record after the fact, and this fails. Now we are moving to governance tab. Every model call is costed, as you know. Three tiers here: Gemini 3 point flash reasoning, Gemma document triage, Gemini embedding for clauses. As you can see the token amounts consuming for this particular things. And we have a lot more to do here. We have the different tabs such as company tabs, which consists the data of company, like the address of the company, etc. There is agent conversations where we can see how the agents are communicating with each other to decide we should deal with this company or not. Here, as you can see, 11 agents here. Sorry, 14 agents here. 14 conversations here, sorry. Under the legal tab, we can see all the legal findings about that company. And under the financial tab, we are getting the financial history of the company. In the memory tab, we'll see if this is the first time we are audit for this company, or we can see the occurrence of the audits here. We have one more feature, API references. We have API library by integrating which a client can use these features into their particular workflows or work systems, like for example, Salesforce, SAP, anything. Thank you.